Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamatya and today I'm going to show you my post makeup skincare routine. I usually just wear lipstick. Today I have used quite a lot of makeup on my skin. So yeah, let's start, and this is my nighttime skincare routine. So I'm going to start with cleansing my skin with the first cleanser, and for that I'm going to use a cleansing lotion, and before that I have to tie my hair. So today I shot this makeup video, and for that I put on this much makeup, foundation and all. I don't usually use foundation, and this is how my skin looks after like 5 or 6 hours after shooting the video. Alright, so now I'm gonna use this Simply Pure cleansing lotion to remove the makeup. Quite a lot, huh? Yeah, I think I have taken a bit more than I actually needed. Melting off the makeup is so satisfying. I'm looking for this, one good cleansing, cleansing oil, but still I have not found something that I can love. So I'm sticking to micellar water and cleansing lotions. These things are good as well. Especially I'm enjoying the cleansing lotion. I look funny. So I usually massage this on my skin for like 1 to 2 minutes. Then I take this cloth, this microfiber cloth, and I'm gonna wipe my skin with it. It actually removes my makeup quite well, but the lip tint is very stubborn, so it stays for some time. I mean, I use micellar water as well, but this lip tint is really stubborn. It just holds on to its existence. Oh my god, I forgot to massage my neck because I was doing like hurry. Okay, now I'm gonna go and wash my face with water. Then I'm gonna come back with my damp skin. Then I'm gonna use second cleanser. See you in like 1 second. I'm back. So now I'm gonna use the second cleanser. It is one foam based cleanser. This is from Bioderma. Their Atoderm cleansing oil, but it actually works like a foam based cleanser. Morning time I use Cleanse Me or Cleansure. During evening I use a foam based cleanser like this one. You can use any cleanser that works for you, Okay, now let me go and wash my face. I'm gonna come back and continue my routine. Alright, now I'm gonna use a face pack, and for that I'm using this Dermaco 2% salicylic acid face mask. I love this one from this brand, though their cleanser and that one sunscreen didn't work for me. But I heard from you that this brand doesn't let you publish your honest review on their website, and I shared this screenshot from one message that I received from you on my community tab. So that's really bad. I hope they change. And yes, Dermaco is a sister brand of this one, Mamaearth. Many people ask me this, so I did my like 10-second research. From that I came to know that this brand is actually a sister brand of Mamaearth. But this mask is actually very nice. I love this clay mask from this brand. Let me know if Dermaco products have worked for you or not, because I want to try a few things from this brand, like their salicylic acid serum, but I'm not sure. So yeah, see you after I wash my face, and yeah, I shouldn't talk because I have applied this mask. Hi, I'm back. So tonight I'm gonna keep it very simple. I'm gonna use this Klairs serum. This is very lightweight and full of antioxidants. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I use essence after washing my skin, but I can't find it where I kept the essence. But serum would do. No issues there. Alright, next I'm gonna put another serum. This is from Jamiso. This is actually kind of like thicker than the previous one. It feels more hydrating. So yeah, I'm applying this for the extra hydration and soothing thing. And you can apply 2 serums, even 1 serums, I mean whatever works for you. I love the texture of this serum. This is so good and the ingredients are nice. Feels nice on my skin. Next I'm gonna use one niacinamide based gel. This is Namax. I had been using this Vaha Natural serum, but I finished that bottle. It was good as well. I can tell from your face you think that is already getting too much. I'm applying too many products, but it works for me, these things. So please don't judge me for my skincare choices, because these things work for me. I mean, this combination, you know. But it is totally fine to use just 1 or 2 products on your skin as long as those things are working for you, and it's totally fine if you're comfortable with like too many products. It's on you. Now just 2 products are left. So next thing, I am gonna apply one moisturizer, and I'm testing out one new moisturizer. This is from Vaha Naturals. Where is it? I found it. So I need more time to give you any verdict on this moisturizer. I'm gonna apply this. Texture wise is decent. It takes some time to absorb, but overall it's nice, but still I need some time to frame my full opinion about this product. I need some time. I have said too many times that I need some time, I think. Lately I have tried many moisturizers, Cetaphil, Arthridum, Recoil, and the reviews are pending because I feel so tired most of the time, so I was not being able to shoot videos. Okay, how much moisturizer did I apply? I hope I applied 1 pump. The last thing I'm gonna apply is one retinol serum from Minimalist. I'm very new to this, so I cannot give you any opinion yet, but I can tell you one thing: it didn't cause any breakout. It has 0.3% retinol and Q10, and I'm taking it very gentle and slow because retinol can cause purging. So right now I'm using this after moisturizer, but after some time, as my skin gets more used to this product, I'm gonna use it before moisturizer. But today, just after moisturizer, because I'm scared. I don't want any purging and breakouts, no skin irritation, because my skin is in a very good state right now. I have not seen any breakout on my skin for like 1 month. Seriously, few days back one mosquito bit me here. That was another case, but except that, no irritation, no breakout. So I'm very careful with my skin right now. And this is my very first retinol serum. It mostly has squalane, and other days after moisturizer I use rosehip oil from the same brand, Minimalist. You can use any rosehip oil if you want to, if you like, or any facial oil in that matter. And yeah, this is my routine for tonight. And the other days, sometimes I use chemical exfoliants, I mean in a toner or serum form. Sometimes I use different serums. It comes down to what my skin wants on the day, and today my skin needed these things, I guess. And yeah, so I need a lip balm. Okay, I'm gonna apply this later because I have to find where my lip balm is. My room is a mess right now. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this, and see you very soon. Bye bye.